Hey guys, so today I thought of I went to my usual cafe where I do go to do most of my design jobs. So today I was there and I thought of what to do. So I decided to just create a simple one-page website, just as I've been saying all this while on my profile. So if you don't know what a one-page website is, just scroll down a bit of this profile from this particular video you're watching now, and you're going to see where I talked about a single or one-page website. So let me just give you a recap of what a one-page website is. It's a website where everything you're looking for is on one particular page of the site. You don't need to click to go anywhere. Everything is just there. Okay, your contact us, about us, your services, everything, whatever product you're selling, everything are on one particular page of the website. So that's what I did today. And after creating the site, I had to use my amazing, awesome screenshots extension on Google Chrome to download the whole of my screen, and then I used my favorite design tool, Figma, to do a bit of social media design that I'm going to also share on all my platforms. Okay, so just as you're seeing on your screen right now, that's what I'm doing now. I'm editing using Figma. Okay, I love Figma so much because it helps me to easily express myself in my designs. And oh gosh, I can't really remember when last I used CorelDRAW and the rest of them. See, I've been so in love with Figma. I can't just leave Figma alone. Oh my god, I love Figma, seriously. So I've been using Figma and Canva for a very long time now, and actually I use more of Figma, okay, for all my designs. All the recent designs you've seen on my page, they are all made with Figma. So just as you can see on your screen now, that's what I'm doing now. I'm editing. I'm adding drop shadow to it, which will make it to look as if it's being placed on the next particular design that is behind it. So I'm adding drop shadow. I'm increasing the that's the horizontal view and the vertical view, and then I also blurred it so that it will have some kind of a little effect behind it. Okay, so that's what I'm doing now. I'm adjusting. I'm also doing the same for the second design that is behind the first one I added drop shadow to. Okay, so adding drop shadow to your works makes it to look so real, like it's more of like a 3D format, like something you can see it from both sides. Okay, so as you can see now, I've done that, and I'm trying to change the background color for that particular design. So you can see what I'm doing now. I'm trying to change the background color. Okay, so I love Figma. If you don't know how to use Figma, I would advise you to go and learn how to use Figma. It's really amazing. So right here I was trying to test run and see which of the background will go where, and I was not really so satisfied. So here's what I'm going to do. I quickly brought out my design template, which I already have before, and I'm just going to sit and move this particular design to another template. Okay, so just watch me. That's what I'm going to do right here. Yes, I know that's what I'm going to do. So guys, please, if you want to learn how to create one-page website, a sales page, a landing page, then I would advise my sales page course. Okay, it's just 2,000 naira for the mean, and maybe any moment from now I might increase the price. I would love you to go and take the course right away. So just as I said, you can see I'm adjusting those contents right now. I'm adjusting them on my screen. I'm trying to adjust it to fit in, and yeah, so that's so okay guys, so I'm actually trying to see don't laugh at me because I'm really trying my best add a voice recording to this. I recorded this video when I was still at the cafe, and the noise was terrible there. It was so much, so I just recorded it because I knew it was going to be a bit easy for me to know what I was doing, because it's my job actually. So I know what I was doing then, so I can easily tell what I'm doing by just watching the video while recording the voiceover attached to it. So you can see now I'm done, and boom, I've downloaded it to my device. Is already there. So what I'm going to do is to just send it to my smartphone, and guess what guys, I'm using InShot application to edit this particular video. Okay, so thank you for watching, and don't forget, my name remains Okemute NS, your tech savvy and website developer. Bye.